Ice machines come in a number of different models and designs. Today we will be demonstrating the cleaning process using a Manitowoc I-Series machine with fully computerized and automated cleaning cycle. Each machine model will have slightly different procedures, so be sure to consult the manufacturer's operating manual. Every ice maker should be cleaned at least every 6 months. For systems with high usage, such as restaurants, it is recommended to clean the ice maker quarterly. Some healthcare facilities may want to clean each ice maker as much as once a month. Most ice makers will hold a few gallons of water and typically need 3 to 12 ounces of nice and shiny cleaner and 1 to 4 ounces of Avance Sani Quat ice maker sanitizer for the cleaning cycle. Nice and Shiny is a nickel-safe formulation specifically designed for cleaning the delicate nickel surfaces in ice machines. Nice and Shiny is also NSF registered for use as a cleaner in food processing areas. To begin the cleaning process, start by setting the machine to off and allow the unit to thaw to room temperature. During this time, you should remove all of the ice from the maker and storage cabinet. It is recommended to discard the ice. However, if it is saved for use, ice should be handled as a food product to avoid contamination. Like all ice machine cleaners, Nice and Shiny can be hazardous if inappropriately used. It is important to use the recommended personal protective equipment to avoid getting any splash product into your eyes or on your hands. Additional items you will need are a bucket for manual cleaning, a sponge, and a brush to remove soil and mold, and a cloth to wipe down surfaces. Once all of the ice has been removed and the unit has thawed, open the front panel and remove the evaporator cover. Check the evaporator coils for any ice buildup or other obstacles that can block water flow during the cleaning process. Remove any ice on the coils. You will not be able to clean the maker if ice is present. This is also a good time to inspect the nickel-plated surfaces. Ice makers use a special nickel plating because ice will not easily stick to nickel. Typically, nickel placed onto brass or copper is used for the ice-making surfaces. When cleaning the ice maker, you should always use a nickel-safe product such as State's Nice and Shiny to avoid damaging the nickel-plated surfaces. If improperly cleaned, the damaged nickel plating will allow ice to stick in the evaporator, causing ice jamming and poor ice quality. The result is that the ice maker will not work efficiently or may not work at all. Replacement of nickel-plated components would be very costly. Once the machine is ice-free and thawed, you can set the machine to the cleaning cycle. The machine we are cleaning today has a completely automated process, making the cleaning process easy. Older machines will still need to be manually switched to the cleaning mode. For our machine, the computer screen will tell us when to add Nice and Shiny Cleaner. For a less automated machine, you will add Nice and Shiny Cleaner when the unit begins to fill with water during the cleaning cycle. Add Nice and Shiny Cleaner directly to the drip water reservoir. During the cleaning cycle, the ice machine will circulate the cleaning solution throughout the unit. Nice and Shiny will safely remove all soils and mineral buildup on the ice-making surfaces. Typically, the cleaning cycle will take 20 to 40 minutes. While the machine is in the cleaning cycle, it is a good time to mix down a cleaning solution of Nice and Shiny in a bucket. This solution will be used to clean the removed components of the machine, such as the drip reservoir, ice thickness gauge, and any other removed parts. Nice and Shiny should be mixed 3 ounces per gallon of cleaning solution. Using a nylon, non-abrasive brush, clean all of the parts removed from the machine with nice and shiny cleaning solution. Be sure to rinse all components with fresh water to remove cleaner residue. Once the machine has completed the cleaning cycle, you should turn the machine off and use a washcloth and brush to clean the evaporator coils and water reservoir. After cleaning with nice and shiny, run the machine through several rinse cycles. The machine we have today automatically uses 14 consecutive rinse cycles. At this time, the ice cabinet should be hosed down to remove all cleaner residue. Each ice chest has a drain to allow excess water and cleaning solution to be removed. The FDA and Health Canada regard the production of ice the same as any food processing equipment. It is recommended to sanitize the ice maker after cleaning with a no-rinse sanitizer such as State Avance Sani Quat. As with any sanitizing product, you want to use a product that is registered with the EPA and Health Canada for the design purpose of cleaning ice-producing equipment. State Avance Sani Quat is registered for this purpose, and the instructions are clearly indicated on the label. The sanitizing process is much like the cleaning cycle. To begin, activate a cleaning cycle. When the machine calls for cleaner or when the unit begins to fill with water, add State Avance Sani Quat sanitizer at 1 ounce per 4 gallons of water. Allow the machine to go through a complete cycle now as the sanitizing cycle. Many newer units will include a program for the sanitation step. This is also a good time to mix a sanitizing solution of 1 ounce of Avance Sani Quat in 4 gallons of water to be used for the manual sanitizing steps. Use a cloth to wipe sanitizing solution on all removed parts. Avance Sani Quat is a no-rinse sanitizer. Allow parts to air dry. After the sanitizer cycle, turn the machine off. Using the mixed sanitizing solution, wipe down all surfaces of the machine, including the ice chest. Because ice is considered a food product, it is important to sanitize all surfaces of the machine. When you are finished, allow the sanitized surfaces to air dry completely. Replace the evaporator cover and all removed parts. Close the door and return the machine to operation. It is recommended to remove and dispose of ice made during the first 2 to 3 ice-producing cycles. Pay particular attention to any discolored ice that may indicate short or poor rinse steps. The machine should now be completely cleaned and sanitized. State Nice and Shiny Nickel Safe Cleaner and Avance Sani Quat Sanitizer will ensure the ice maker will perform at design efficiency for many years. This state chemical program will help you maintain energy efficiency while helping to control foodborne bacteria and odor-causing organisms that can impact the quality of ice that your ice maker produces.